In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit PDF files using Microsoft Word, specifically for versions 2013 and later. This is a handy skill for anyone needing to make quick edits to a PDF document without relying on specialized PDF software. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to launch Microsoft Word. Go ahead and open the application on your computer. If you're not familiar with this version of Word, you can usually find it by clicking on your Start menu or searching for it in your Applications folder. Once you have Word open and ready to go, the next thing you want to do is navigate to the File menu. In the upper left corner of the window, you'll see File. Give that a click. This will open a drop-down menu that allows you to access various options, including the ability to open existing documents. Now, from this File menu, you'll want to select Open. On the screen, you'll see different options for finding files, whether that's your recent documents, files stored in the cloud, or ones stored locally on your computer. Choose Browse to manually search through your folders. Take a moment to navigate through your file directories to locate the PDF file you wish to edit. Once you've found your PDF, click on it to select it. At this point, Word will prompt you with a warning message. It's essentially letting you know that it's going to make a copy and convert your PDF into an editable Word document. This means changes will not alter the original PDF file, ensuring you have a backup if you need it. Go ahead and click OK to proceed with the conversion. Once your file is open in Word, you'll find that you can edit text, images, and the general layout just like you would in any regular Word document. Feel free to make all the necessary adjustments. However, it's important to note that if your PDF contains complex formatting such as tables or lots of graphics, there might be some slight shifts during the conversion process. Keep an eye out for any changes that may need correcting as you go along. Once you're satisfied with your edits, remember to save your work. When you hit save, it's a good idea to choose the .docs format. This ensures your document remains compatible with Word and keeps your new changes intact. And there you have it. You've successfully opened and edited a PDF in Microsoft Word. This method is a quick and effective way to handle such tasks without requiring any additional software. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing!